Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your collection on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add some sealed products to your collection on the Collectr app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's go ahead and log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on search. Then the way I like adding items to here is that I normally search the set name. So let's say I search for prismatic, and then from here you're going to find all the products related to prismatic. So if you have, for example, the prismatic evolutions, Lucario EX, and Tyranitar box, all you've got to do is press the plus button and it's going to add it to your portfolio. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items to your collection on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in